Good morning, Atomians. I'm Diamond Master Marisa Romero and my husband, Nestor Romero Jr. from Kalayaan, Rosa Mystica. Okay. Atomy was introduced to us December of 2017, but we became active member November of 2019. We achieved our sales mastership promotion December 2021. We became Diamond Master last June 2024. It was not an easy journey for us to become a Diamond Master. Along the way, we encountered various obstacles while thriving our success. We never gave up, and we focused on building our consumer partners. What we thought was impossible became possible because of the synergy of United Hearts in partnership with Kalayaan Rosa Mystica Healing Center, Fairview Lagro Center, Wellness and Beauty Center Makati, and even Crosslines willing to help us. We would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who helped us and partner with us in this promotion. You know who you are. Thank you, Chairman Park Han-gil and Atomy Philippines for your generous heart. And most of all, we thank our Almighty God.
Hello everyone. Alam niyo po, in God's perfect timing, His plans are fulfilled. His promises are realized. In His purpose are being accomplished. We learned, itong aming challenge we learned that the importance of early preparation, honest and open communication with our uplines and partners, commitment to finish the challenge. So ang challenge ko po sa inyo, ang challenge po namin sa iyo, let's continue to share Atomy and never give up our Atomy goals. See you at the top. Adya, adya, adya. Thank you so much.